The net should only be removed from the pen if the weather and current conditions allow it. The person responsible for the process must have experience from similar operations. Only certified lifting equipment should be used throughout the process. Protective equipment in accordance with the fish farm's own routines must be used. There should be no fish in the net at the start of the operation. If a hole must be made in the centre bottom to remove the remains of dead fish, it is not recommended to cut next to a cross rope. The hole should be made as small as possible. These measures will reduce the time spent repairing and recertifying. In cases where a sinker tube is used, the net must be detached from it before the operation starts. The net is loosened by cutting the ropes between the net and the sinker tube, either by hoisting up the sinker tube or by using a diver. It is important that cuts are made in ropes that are attached between the net and the sinker tube and not in the bottom loop itself. Any hooks on the pen's railing must be removed or protected by covering over the hooks to avoid the net getting caught and damaged in them. The net will be pulled up against the current, so it is important to check and be aware of the current direction in the sea during the entire operation. The net must be taken on board the boat bit by bit. Use the loops on the net when lifting to avoid unnecessary damage to the netting. The used net is then delivered to a service station for recertification or possibly disposal if it does not meet the requirements in accordance with NS 9415.